Welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we take a closer look at the Shiba Inu token, study what it is all about and how to buy it and all that fun stuff. So let's get into it. Please check the link in the description box below to find more details about the Shiba Inu meme coin. I am not a financial advisor. The video is for informational purpose only. So as per the coin Gecko, Shiba Inu is currently priced at 0.0000679. And over the past 30 days, it has decreased by 67.7%, and over the 24 hours, it has increased by 10%. So it has a current market cap of approximately 3 billion, and over the 24-hour period, this is the highest and the lowest it has been. And currently, the all-time high that has been seen is 0.0000371, and the all-time low that was seen was 0.0000000. It's basically, the lowest that has been observed out of Shiba Inu over the span of max. So basically, since the time it was launched, and as you can see, the price was almost literally nothing, and then around on like 6th May, it kind of spiked and went all the way up. So this is the official website of the Shiba token. So it says that it's a decentralized meme token that grew in a vibrant ecosystem. SHIBASWAP, fun tokens, artist incubator, and a growing 500k plus community and more on the horizon. You can click over here to get more idea about this meme coin. You can read the white paper, or as it says, it's a woof paper. So SHIB is an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. SHIB token is our first token and allows users to hold billions or even trillions of them. It was nicknamed the Dogecoin killer. This ERC20 only token can remain well under a penny and still outpace Dogecoin in a small amount of time. Popular worldwide and already up thousands of %, Shiba token is the first cryptocurrency token to be listed and incentivized on SHIBASWAP, which is the decentralized exchange that they have. We locked the 50% of total supply to Uniswap and threw away the keys, so nobody can really get an access to it. And the remaining 50% was burned to Vitalik Buterin, and we were the first project following this path. So everyone has to buy on the open market, ensuring a fair and a complete distribution where thieves don't own a token they can dump on the community. They also have 2 more projects, so that is the leash and the bone token. So the leash was originally set to be a rebase token pegged to the price of Dogecoin. Now it has been unleashed and will not rebase. With a total circulation of only 100k tokens, it has the opposite appeal to SHIB, which has a much larger supply. The second token, incentivized on swap, offers special rewards for those who provide liquidity. Then we have the bone token. So Dogecoin Killer is our next token, which is coming soon. Shiba Inu Bone takes the power of DeFi to the next level. Details on how to acquire this token, tokenomics, incentives will be announced with the reveal of SHIBASWAP. So if you want to buy Shiba token, just click over here and you're going to be directed to Uniswap where you can make the purchase. Or you can also check out the famous websites like Binance and Crypto.com that have listed Shiba Inu coins over there, and you can purchase it from there itself. If you would like to get more information about the coin, please check the link in the description box below. You can also click over here to get an idea about the Telegram platform and connect with them on Twitter, the Leash Telegram, Reddit, and other platforms. So, as per my research, currently from the Twitter that I can see right now, Shiba Inu currently has 602.3k followers, which is amazing because it just shows that since the time it was launched, it has gained a lot of popularity, especially in India, because of the fact that Vitalik Buterin donated a lot of the Ethereum coins to the Indian community, and so far it has 602.3k followers, which is a positive sign. So despite coming with a warning about how cryptocurrencies are volatile, I believe that there is a bright future ahead for this new dog-themed cryptocurrency because of this whole hype and popularity about the dog coins, because it's like trending right now. It's getting famous. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and also make sure to add any comments if you have any questions that you would like us to answer, and subscribe to our Crypto Gems channel so that you can get more content about cryptocurrencies that can help you in your investment journey. If you would like to know how to buy Shiba Inu coins, please check the link in the description box below.